Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing alright. So guys, today I am putting a video which can be really helpful for those people who are already into this field of bioinformatics or computational biology or in silico drug designing, next generation sequencing and stuff like these. Okay, so well, I just found a platform which is readmycourse.com. They are providing different courses in these fields only. Okay, and they're really helpful. So I joined a course called Python for bioinformatics, and I so just wish that I had known about I wish I knew about this platform before only, when I was doing my masters, but now it's completed. But still, I joined the course. It helped me a lot. But if you guys are master student, and I'm damn sure that now you might have Python, because there was a time when few universities has Perl, but Python is like a now highly demanded language. So I guess most of the universities are switching to Python only. My university had Perl earlier, but now my juniors have Python. So guys, if you have friends in this field, and if you are from this field, well, share it from for your with your friends as well, because this platform can be really helpful for everyone. So let me get into the course. Okay, oops. So let me get into the course details of the course, guys. So the course name is Python for bioinformatics. Okay, so I have my laptop over here. I'm reading it from here only for you guys. So the fee of the course is rupees 5,000, and if you are an international student, then the fee of the course is 120 USD. Okay, the classes will be online only, and they have weekend batches as well, and they have weekdays batches as well. So I joined the weekday batch, and my timing was 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. But most of the time it will get extended to 8:30, 8:45, or sometimes 9 as well, especially in the starting, because in starting you'll be downloading different softwares, like VS Code. You'll be installing Python either in Windows or Linux operating system, so it can take time. Okay, also you'll be asked to create an account on GitHub. If you do not know about GitHub, well, you'll learn about that. Do not worry about that. Okay, so yeah, for weekdays, if you have joined a weekday class, then Saturday Sunday are off. Okay, and guys, you might be knowing about Python, right? You must be knowing about Python beforehand only, what Python is. And if you have um, done Python course, well, then it is well and good. But how do you apply that in bioinformatics? I haven't found any of the platform which provides such things till now. Okay, this is the only one, and it was so good, guys. The instructor's name is Anand sir. He's so helpful, and the good thing about the instructors over here are that really helpful and friendly. And at the end of the class, first thing is they're really punctual. Okay, which at most of the places I've seen, in the starting the teachers are punctual, and like they will teach really well, but later on the quality of the course and the teaching will decrease, like the course won't be so interesting later on. So yeah, the good thing about this one is they're really punctual, very professional, and at the end of the class you can in the middle also, but at the end of the class they'll clear your doubts and never in a hurry to leave the class. The thing which I really liked about the course and the instructor mainly. So the course is for 5 weeks, guys. So the syllabus is given over here. I'll be reading it for you guys. Okay, so in the first week you will mostly be taught about the why go for Python. Well, yeah, and what are its application in bioinformatics, how do you install Python in Windows Linux operating system. Yeah, then installation libraries as well. Then they'll be introducing you to Visual Studio Code, which are basically editors. Also they'll be telling you about Jupyter Notebook, Google Colab, things like these, Anaconda. Then intro to BioPython, simple pasta. How do you most of the so guys, now the most of the things which you're working over here are strings only. So large data, because here we are working with sequences, right? The MCBI sequences which you're working with. So how do you download that? With the help of Python, everything over here will be practical based. Okay. GenBank sequences, MCBI sequences. How do you perform BLAST with the help of Python? How do you find the GC percentage? Things like these will be taught to you. And then of course, if you're a beginner guys in Python, then everything will be done from starting only. Okay, they will introduce you what are variables, operators, mathematical operators in Python. They'll teach you about string, list, dictionary, tuple, set, yeah, and how do you perform actions on these things. If else statements, loops, while loop, nested while loop, for loops, nested for loops, and all. And then you will get into the course. Okay, fine. How do you handle Excel files, FASTA files, text files? How do you read files? File handling basically. How do you handle big data? How do you plot the data? Okay, so how do you plot a histogram? These things will be taught, like famous libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. These are the famous libraries which you must have heard about. You'll be taught about these things over here. And at the end of the course, guys, like BioPython will also be taught. Yeah, this is also included in the course. How do you transcribe the sequence, transcription, translation with the help of these famous libraries, the BioPython? How do you download a sequence from NCBI into Python? That will also be done. How do you perform BLAST, which I already told you about? There will be little classroom projects as well, mostly this time on COVID-19 only, because that is like the hot topic, right? And how do you analyze data at the end of the like course? You will be given introduction about machine learning, the types of machine learning, then linear regression, logistic regression, these things, just the introduction, okay, of artificial intelligence and all. So yeah, this is all about the course, and I'm so pretty happy and satisfied with the course, guys. It has helped me so much. I already did a Python course earlier, but this is completely different. That nobody will teach you about. I haven't found a platform like this. Nobody is gonna teach. I haven't found a platform where they teach you about Python in bioinformatics. How do you apply that in bioinformatics? So for those students who are into these things, well, do go for the course, guys. It can be really, really helpful for you. If you want to do the projects in university or assignment or something, you get stuck in these things, well, this can help you out. Okay, and also share it with your friends as well, guys. I would highly recommend that others can also be helped. If you know people from those field and if you have friends from there, please do share it. The fees is not very high, it is affordable, as you guys can already see. The instructor is really nice announcer, and really helpful as well. Like if you have any doubts, he'll be clarifying all your doubts. So good. And basically it is situated in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. So if you live nearby NCR or Noida, well, if you want to go there and learn, then you can do that as well. I'll be putting the link of the website down in the description, and you can check the website and check other courses as well, the fee of the courses and all. I'll be making a separate video on each of the courses, so nobody misses on these things. Also, I'm doing another course, the NGS course, Next Generation Sequencing. It has just started, guys, and I'm so very happy with it. The teacher is very good, the instructor is very good. That is a different instructor. That is Dr. Dibya Aba. He's the one who's teaching us next generation sequencing. I had NGS, guys, during my third semester, but we were only taught about the theory part. We were not taught the practical part of it. So, well, here they're teaching us. It has been really helpful, guys. So interesting as well. Yeah. So I think I told you what was needed to be told. The timing, I don't know whether I told you or not. The timing is 7 to 8 p.m. and I do not know about weekend batch, guys. So you need to ask yourself only. You can go to the website and you can get the number and call them. Okay. So what else is remaining? I think the next batch has already started, because also before for the first 2 days you'll be given free live classes, okay, for the first 2 days. And if you like the class, if you like how they teach, the teacher, then only you can pay for it. From the third class onwards you have to pay, but the first 2 sessions are like demo sessions and those are free. and if you like it, you're satisfied with it, then you can go with the course. Okay, so here it shows live classes will start from 27 December 2021. So it means I think it has already started from yesterday onwards. So if you still want to go for it, well, you can go for it, because yeah. And also you'll be getting recorded classes, guys. All these classes will be recorded for lifetime access. You can have lifetime access to it. They create a classroom where you will create your own account, and from there they'll teach you how to access to those classes, you know, recordings and all. Yeah, this is all about the course. Yeah, do share it with people, okay, your friends or people who are into this field. It can be really helpful for them. Yeah, guys, so with this I'll be ending my video. I'll be making another video on my NGS course, but once let's get it completed first, okay, then only I can tell. But till now it has gone really good. So yeah, with this I'll be ending my video, guys. Okay, I'm sorry I'm not looking at the camera today. I'm only looking over here because I'm reading from my laptop. Yeah, so yeah, guys, with this I'll be ending my video for you guys, okay, and I hope this was helpful for you guys. I'm damn sure this will be helpful for you guys once you join the course, okay. So yeah, with this I'll be ending my video, guys. Bye bye and take care.